Alright guys, we're in Sprouts. We're getting food for the next 3 days. So.
Turkey carnitas?
They have like the meat already prepared. Have you ever liked beef stroganoff?
I've never tried beef stroganoff.
It's that one there.
That one?
I don't mind it. I don't know. Well, let's go. Buy one, get 50% off. Fuck yeah. Yep, that's the one. We gotta stock up a lot. Alright guys, this is where we gotta meet, and right now they have this. So we're super happy. Alright guys, so we just scored. We just paid $60 for like a bunch of chicken right now. And a couple of snacks. But
our favorite chicken.
Favorite chicken.
One we've been buying
every day.
Putting you guys on.
Alright guys, time to go home. Bye Sprouts. Oh, nope, that's alcohol beverages. Alright guys, we had to come to the Hispanic shop to get a few tortillas and some rice. So now we're looking to get some drinks. Hey you guys, so I'm actually working right now. I'm working on Richard's desk. I had to create kind of like a template where it shows how many people have bought packages and then how much left they have on their packages. So that's what I'm just doing right now, and then I'm gonna email that to my boss Gina, and then good to go. You know what I mean? Jelly bean. Oh my god, I have to tell you something. So while Richard is pumping some air in the tire, so there's this artist, and she's from Sydney, Australia, and her name is Larissa Lambert. Larissa Lambert. And I've been following this chick for a very long time. She was like in a female group called Paris Inc., and then she went like solo and stuff. So I've been following her for a very long time. And she just came out with a song, I Got You, right? Oh my god, I swear to you, every time this chick makes songs, I swear I feel like she read my diary like once upon a time, because every song that she makes is like exactly how I had felt, or how I feel, or just like everything. And she just put me in her story. I don't know if you can see it there. She literally just put me on her story, and she's like, I love this. because I was like, girl, you make songs like if you read my diary. I almost had a panic attack. And then I saw that she, she just, that made me so happy. Just another fellow Australian, you know, supporting and stuff. But her music is so beautiful. If you do get the chance, go on Apple Music, put Larissa Lambert, and then find the song I Got You. If you've ever felt that way before, if you know what I mean, go listen to that song. Alright guys, so we decided to come to this place. It's called Ole Churros, A Taste of Spain.
They're making them fresh too.
Yeah, they're making them fresh right now. And we got the dipping Nutella. So I can't wait to taste it. It's hot. It's 98 right now. So we're just drinking some boba and gonna eat our churros. Let's see.
How cute is this little cup?
That's super cute. Alright guys, we're gonna try the churros now. Ooh. I got Nutella. No, that's serious.
Wow.
I rather prefer standing up.
This is so good.
This is so good, you guys.
Crispiness.
Wow.
It's pretty generous too.
If you guys are looking to get like really delicious dessert, definitely come to this place because it's quite delicious. All right, we're gonna go keep eating. So, peace. All right, guys. So we're hot, but we just passed the slime shop, and I wanted to go in and get myself some slime, but there was too many kids, and I felt out of place. So I was like, you know what? Let's just go. But look at that. Look how pretty this is. Alright guys, if you ever visit Vegas, come to Town Square. This place is like a little country itself. Hey guys, so we just finished walking. It's really hot right now. It's about 98 Fahrenheit, so it's quite hot. But we're heading home now. So we had a budget date today. All we spent was $23. $23 in Vegas. That's never heard of, let me tell you. Okay. Holy crap! We don't know where we're going. We thought we were gonna find like a secret passageway to the freeway, but I think we kind of screwed up. But that's okay. We're not complaining. It is currently 6:13 and the sun is still bright and out. I think we just went in circles. But yes, you guys, so me and Richard went on a budget date. We're on a budget because we have a huge vacation coming up in June. So we're just trying to be a little bit tight on money, so we can have a good vacation, obviously. But yeah, today we spent literally $23. We had churros and then we had boba, and it all came out to like $23. So muy bueno in my eyes.
Show me life, show me love, make it change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life.